State your
I,
name.
Sara Duterte,
Do solemnly swear
do solemnly swear
that I will faithfully and conscientiously fulfill
that I will faithfully and conscientiously fulfill
my duties as Vice President of the Philippines,
my duties as Vice President of the Philippines,
preserve and defend its Constitution,
preserve and defend its Constitution,
execute its laws,
execute its laws,
do justice to every man,
do justice to every man,
and consecrate myself to the service of the nation.
to the service of the nation.
So help me God.
So help me God.
Kapin usa ka bulan, human sa piniliain adtong Mayo 9, 2022. Nanumpa sa mismong adlaw sa pagkatao ni Dr. Jose Rizal niadtong Hunyo 19, 2022 si Vice President-elect Sara Duterte Carpio sa San Pedro Square, Davao City. Gipanguluhan ni Supreme Court Associate Justice Ramon Paul Hernando ang maong pagpanumpa ni Vice President Sara Duterte uban ng iyang mga ginikanan nga si Elizabeth Zimmerman Duterte kinsa nagunit sa Biblia ug ni outgoing President Rodrigo Roa Duterte. Sa pagigpulong ni Vice Presidente Sara Duterte, gipambit nini ang iyang kasinatian gikan sa pangandoy nga mahimong doktor hangtod nga mahimong abogado ug public servant.
One of the most important lessons I have learned as I navigate life, and the same thing that I believe we should ponder upon as a one country, united in our determination to overcome our difficulties and achieve our aspirations, is that we should commit to heart the priorities of God, country, and family. My life is a testament to the power of a God whom we know by many names. My younger self was consumed by a dream to become a doctor. I pursued a pathway that I thought could help me realize that dream. But I was directed toward another way. And now I am a lawyer. When I committed myself to governance and public service, I was also determined to finish 3 consecutive terms as mayor. That will not happen anymore. I am now the Vice President-elect.
Gipasalamatan usab ni Vice President Inday Sara ang kapin sa 32.2 milyones nga mibotar sa iyang kandidatura isip ikaduhang presidente.
The voice of 32.2 million Filipinos was loud and clear. With the message to serve our motherland. And this message has been reiterated in my oath to consecrate myself to the service of the nation. There is a God whose will transcends the desires of our hearts, one whose will directs us to the way that we might not have imagined, but a way that consecrates ourselves every day to help our fellow men overcome the difficulties they face in their lives, to change lives, to save lives.
Nagpasalamat usab kini sa mga frontliners.
In the same way that many are already devoting their lives as hardworking farmers and fisherfolk that ensure that there is food on our tables. Dedicated health workers who help the sick. Brave soldiers who fight for our country. Honest and fair entrepreneurs who support our economy. Patient school teachers that guide our children. I believe the country will be heading towards a future of hope, security, strength, stability, and progress.
Gihatagan usab og pagduot ni Vice President Inday Sara ang kamahinungdanon sa pagbaton sa maayong pundasyon sa pagpadako sa mga kabatanunan.
Ako po, si Inday Sara, a proud Dabawenya. Very proud. A proud Mindanaon. Hindi ako ang pinakamagaling o pinakamatalinong tao sa Pilipinas at sa mundo. Ngunit walang makakatalo sa tibay ng puso ko bilang isang Pilipino. Mabuhay ang Pilipinas! Dagang salamat.
Bisaya Gyud! Bisaya Gyud! Bisaya Gyud!